Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to differentiate a composite function. In the previous exercise number 15.1, the power of the function was 1. I will elaborate this one, the previous exercise, with the help of an example. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. The power of the function is 1. We want to find out dy by dx. We will apply d over dx on both sides. As the whole power of the function is 1, we will multiply d over dx with all the terms. Write down the constant term before the derivative, d over dx. We know that the derivative of the constant term is 0. The change in constant is 0. This one is 3 into 2 into x dot 1. We will write down the power as the coefficient, reduce the power by 1, and multiply with the derivative of the base. Here the base is x. So the derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus 4. The final answer is 6x minus 4. Now, there is a function y is equal to under root 2x minus 3. Find dy by dx. There are 3 steps of differentiation. Number 1 is write down power as a coefficient. Number 2, reduce the power by 1. Number 3, multiply with the derivative of the base. Steps are same, just like the previous exercise. Now we will try to attempt these questions by using these 3 steps. First of all, we will apply d over dx on both sides, and we will write down the root as a power. Now we cannot apply d over dx inside because the whole power is not 1. In the previous exercise and in the previous example on this page, you can see that the whole power of the function is 1. But in this case, the whole power is not 1. We cannot apply d over d. We cannot write down d over dx with all the terms. Now we will use these 3 rules. We will write down power as the coefficient 1 over 2. We will subtract 1 from the power 2x minus 3 minus 1, and we will multiply with the derivative of the base. Here the base is, here the power is 1 by 2 and the base is 2x minus 3. So the derivative of 2x minus 3 is d over dx 2x minus 3. Now 1 over 2, 2x minus 3 power minus 1 over 2. We will use calculator to find out 1 over 2 minus 1. And the derivative of 2x minus 3 is 2. We will cancel out 2 with 2. And the final answer is 1 over under root 2x minus 3. Now I will elaborate this with the help of more examples. Next question is, differentiate six over 2 minus 3x under root with respect to x. First of all, we will name this function as y, and we will shift 2x minus 3 in the numerator, and the power will become minus 1 by 2. Now we will apply d over dx on both sides. Now we will apply 3 rules of differentiation. We will write down power as the coefficient. Subtract 1 from the power, and we will multiply with the derivative of the base. I will write down this minus 1 over 2 minus 1 with green color so that you can understand that this one is step number 2. Now d over dx 2 minus 3x. dy over dx is equal to minus 1 over 2, 2 minus 3x. With the help of calculator, minus 1 over 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. And the derivative of 2 minus 3x is minus 3. Sorry, we forgot to write 6 here. This 6. And we will also write down this 6 here. And at this place, now we have minus 3. So the final answer is 9 over 2 minus 3x power minus 3 by 2. Now I will elaborate this process with 2 more examples. Now the question is differentiate under root x square plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x. I will let this function as y, applying d over dx on both sides. I will write the root in terms of power. Now, according to the first step, write down power as a coefficient, subtract 1 from the power, and multiply with the derivative of the base. 1 over 2 x square plus 2x plus 3 power minus 1 by 2, and the derivative of the base is 2x plus 2. So taking common 2, we have 2 into x plus 1 in the numerator, 2. In the denominator, we have 2 x square plus 2x plus 3 power positive 1 by 2. And the final answer is x plus 1 divided by under root x square plus 2x plus 3. Now another example. Differentiate under root x plus 2x power 4 with respect to x. We will name this function as y. Apply d over dx on both sides. We will apply 3 steps of differentiation onto this one. Write down power as a coefficient. Power is 4. So now 4 is the coefficient. Reduce the power by 1. And then we will multiply with the derivative of the base as a third step. Now, the derivative of under root x is 1 over 2 x power minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus, and the derivative of 2x is 2. This one is 1 over 2 under root x plus 2. 4 under root x plus 2x power 3. 1 plus 4 under root x divided by 2 under root x. And the final answer is 2 under root x plus 2x power 3. 1 plus 4 under root x divided by under root x. We will cancel this 2 with 4 and we will get 2 in the numerator. This one is x. So this one is the way in which we can differentiate a compound function. And the exercise related to this concept is exercise 15.2, additional mathematics. The author is Ho Su Thong. Thank you very much.